What's good, honey drip? What's going on? How y'all feeling today? So today we back with another episode of Market Talk. And what we're going to talk about is a little bit of Trump, a little bit of plays that I see, Tesla, where I see the market going. And we also had a red day in the market, so we're going to discuss that and everything else. So y'all know what it is. Make sure y'all do me one favor before I drop gems and everything. Just leave me a like in the comment. That's all I ask. Now let me give you guys what you rightfully deserve. So first of all, Tesla fell about 10% today. Let's see where they fell on the Fibonacci. All right, so they're at the golden pocket now. Let's go look at some of this news. Trump on Elon, I don't know if we'll have a great relationship anymore. So, what happens. Trump on Elon Musk, you saw a man who was very happy when he stood behind the Oval Desk, even with the black eye. I said, do you want a little makeup? He said, no, I don't think so, which is interesting. Elon and I had a great relationship. I don't know if it will stand anymore, right? And then Elon airs Trump out and says, time to drop the real bomb, right? Trump is in the Epstein files. That is the reason why they have not been made public. Have a nice day. Now, Trump, you did release the MLK files exposing him as a homosexual. So I hope we release your files, but that's neither here nor there. He's not doing too bad as a president. And yeah, he ran off on him, He ran off on your boy. Let's see what it say.
Man, what is this shit? Hey man, you really did that shit, man. Scratch my back like I scratched yours. I'm fucked up. Bro, I'm fucked up, man.
Hey man, he did switch up on his boy, man. Can't even lie to you. He switched up on his boy. You know what I'm saying? Now let's talk about this as well. 5 stocks to watch for possible S&P 500 inclusion tomorrow. Hood, DDOG, TTD, APP, Carvana, right? And then you also have VVEEV. But I think it would possibly be out of these people. All right? It would definitely be out of these people. So we shall see. I hope it's Robinhood. That would be amazing. That would be amazing for Robinhood and my shares. And I think I have TTD shares as well. So why not? And Datadog, I got to look at their financials. They've been doing pretty good. That's one company that I got to do some research on. We're going to look at their financials real quick, Datadog. So this is Market Talk, folks. So y'all know what it is, man. We just going to go down the rabbit hole as much as we can. All right, let's look at these financials real quick. Now I'm in Puerto Rico, so you're gonna hear some, the lovely frogs, crickets, all of that, right? Year over year, making money. This is very good, actually. Somebody I should have bought on a dip. Should have gotten these guys. Looks like these guys are it's not too late, but it's too late to apologize. They were down at $84. And then they had some nice bullish divergence. A nice one too. I really wanted them down here. I think I remember I wanted to get in them. And then they bounced before I could take them at support. Because I remember they was right here and I was like, I'm going to wait. Right here, I do remember that. Bullish divergence at support. Going. Just broke resistance. Yeah. One of those ones you missed, but, I hit plenty. I hit Hims. I hit Twilolo. So it is what it is. You get what I'm saying? Nobody's perfect. It be what it be. Now, as far as the Trump situation and the Elon Musk, my honest thoughts, people, is, if I'm being all the way honest, for one, there is no honor amongst thieves. So it's like, when you put two people who have agendas and egos together, for some reason, two big egos never align. That's why they say there's no honor amongst thieves. Basically, what it means is if we're pirates and we hop on a ship, we're eventually going to destroy each other. That's why pirate ships don't really last long, because there's no honor amongst thieves. They steal loot, then they kill each other for the loot. You get what I'm saying? So there's no honor amongst thieves. So that's my best explanation of what's really going on between them two. You know, it's really not nothing to it. Let's go back and let's look at Tesla stock. Now, Tesla said they're coming out with the robo-taxi pretty soon. So we got to check on that when these things load, everything will load. But even then right here, being at this level, let's see if we're at like a key level of resistance or support. Chart not loading. So we'll load it one more time. There we go. Okay, so okay, here we go. Okay, we're at this level here, one of the key levels that it's at. This was once a resistance point. Came down. Is it anywhere near the RSI? I'll wait till this bad boy is oversold at least to really touch it for real. The two stocks that I like though, of course, are still Merck. But remember, folks, I never said get in Merck until it crosses what? 79.5. So that'd be the tricky thing when I'm on YouTube. I have to really emphasize, don't get into these until it hits our mark. You see, I have my alert here. See that? What it say? Merck crossing up 79.5, broke falling wedge, 80 call, 711, right? Now let's go look at some of the other ones I got. Let's see, we got Merck and then Lyft. Lyft has a bull flag. Looks pretty good. 3 rejections off this resistance point. So that's something, you know, you want to pay attention to. 3 rejections off this resistance point. It has a gap below, so who knows? Will it want to fill or will it want to break out of this bull flag? If we go to the 4-hour, yeah, I need to get me some more strength out here. I'm at my little outhouse. Need to get my internet strength out up here. Needs to be a lot faster and crisper. But yeah, folks, what do we have right here? Bull flag. So if this thing breaks resistance here, things could go. Let's go look at the S&P 500. You know, fell in this level a little bit. It's like a triple top right here. Whatever level this is, triple top. 3rd rejection, but we're also on this trend line here on the 4-hour, so watch for that. Could still trend upward. You know, gotta watch for that. Go to the daily chart. This could just be a simple pullback. Trend line on the 4-hour. So who knows? QQQ. Bearish engulfing here at resistance, near resistance. But who knows? You know, we'll see tomorrow. Tesla, of course. Notice that's the 3rd stock I like. We got Apple. Ooh. Internet. It's all good though. Everything needs to reload. Huh? All right, Apple is finally loading. Not too bad, not too bad. Not really, you know, I'm more so, if I'm being honest with you guys, I personally think we should focus on day trading. If I'm being all the way honest, like right now, I like Lyft and I like Lyft and Merck, but that's only if they break resistances. Other than that, it's day trading territory. There are a few swings. Those are my top swings, but right now it's kind of hard because like it's not really any forms of support. It's really nothing really serious. I think healthcare. Let's go look at healthcare real quick. The ETF, SLV. Yep, XLV. All right, let's go look. All right, so healthcare has bullish divergence. Looks like if healthcare sector, and it's down, so that's a good thing. Things could shift. So that's good news is the healthcare sector has bullish divergence on the RSI and MACD. So this is where Merck and everybody, and I'll show you guys too, the healthcare sector, XLV. Oops. All right, SLV. And then we'll head to Google. SLV Holdings. Oops. Didn't mean to research that. I meant to do a. There we go. So you might see Johnson and Johnson, United Health. Hopefully Merck is up there. Lilly. We're going to see what their top holdings are. Excuse my internet. While that's loading. Let's see if that'll load yet. Yeah, my internet is trash out here. What? Maybe it doesn't want to do that one. Let's do this one. Yeah, Porter. I'm all in the outhouse and stuff, so that's probably why. I should be out here though. I shouldn't even be out here. All right, here we go. Finally. All right, Merck is up there. Same ones I said. Lilly, Johnson and Johnson, United Health, Merck. All that is part of the holdings. So it's the healthcare sector. They hold shares of a certain sector, and this sector is pointing bullish divergence. So, looks good. Had a bit of a downtrend right here. So yeah, cool. Healthcare sector is how far from highs? Let me do that one more time. What? Alright, there we go. Okay, so we can't use the info line. It's all good. I wanted to see how far it was down. Yeah, this thing not working. But it's cool, it's not. It's no big deal. Oh, that's why. But you know what? I'm probably gonna work on my internet for this next market talk. But you guys know what it is. I showed you guys the Merck. I showed you guys the Lyft, and healthcare sector is pointing upward, so that could really help Merck. And other than that, folks, we got to see what's going on tomorrow. I would recommend day trading and only getting into Lyft or Merck if we have confirmation. And that's about it, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and make sure you guys join the group chat so you guys can get these games, and we can go look at some games. If God willing, it'll pull up. See what my internet is. Yeah, I only got like 2 bars on the Wi-Fi. That's probably why. But yeah, folks, tap in. Y'all know what it is. Honey Drill Network.